Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining your audience and purpose before you start designing the presentation. Identify whether you inform, persuade, or entertain sports fans. Outline 3 core sections: biography, career highlights, and legacy. Research Ronaldo statistics, career timeline, and verify image licenses and usage rights. Gather high-resolution photos and official logos with permission. Choose a 1920x1080 template. Set a consistent font and a 3-color palette. Decide on headings, subheadings, and a standard slide layout. Create a 1-page storyboard to map content flow and pacing. Use large headings, 16:9 layout, and 24 pt or larger fonts for readability. Stick to one main idea per slide and keep text concise. Limit bullets to 3 per slide to avoid audience fatigue and distraction. Display key stats with digits such as 450+ goals, 5 Ballon d'Or, and 25% free kick accuracy examples. Use high-contrast colors for text visibility and a readable sans serif font for body copy. Balance images and text by dedicating 1/3 of the slide to visuals. Add captions and add subtle transitions, and use no more than 2 animation styles total to maintain professionalism. Use consistent timing for animations and keep each effect under 2 seconds. Insert captions, citations, and an image credit slide at the end for transparency. Export slides as PDF or MP4 with 1920x1080 resolution and embed fonts if required. Test media playback and check audio levels for videos and sound clips. Rehearse timing, plan a 10 to 12-minute delivery, and prepare speaker notes for key remarks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.